So let's continue. Question number 21. Which one of the following statement best reflects the corollary to the above passage? It says. Okay. Let's read the options. The benefits of economic reform percolates down more slowly to the agriculture sector than in other sectors of the economy. For India, the green revolution was not as useful as it was expected to be. India lagged behind other countries in adapting mechanized and modern farming. Rural to urban migration resulted in the stagnant agriculture sector. Rural to urban migration resulted in stagnant agriculture sector. This is definitely incorrect. You will see that for India, the green revolution was not as usual. This is also incorrect. You must be confused between A and C. Correct. Which one of the following statement best reflects the corollary? India lagged behind other countries in adapting mechanized and modern farming. This is something which is nowhere rare in the passage. The correct answer would be option A. Okay. Same passage, another question. With reference to the passage, following assumptions have been made. The growing divergence between the fortunes of the agriculture and non-agriculture economy in India could have been reduced, contained by adapting large-scale cultivation of commercial crops and viable corporate farming, providing free insurance for all crops and heavily subsidizing seeds, fertilizer, electricity, and farm machinery at par with development. This is nowhere mentioned. This is correct. A only is the correct answer. Moving on to question number 23. It says, which one of the following statement best reflects the most logical and rational message conveyed by the author of the passage? We need to free the handloom industry from the limited narrative linked to preserving cultural heritage. No. Continued state support to the handloom industry ensures the preservation of some of our glorious art forms and old traditions. Actually, what is being there? Household units of the handloom sector should be modernized. Incorrect. Handloom products need to be converted to machine made. No. B is the correct answer, guys. Okay. With reference to the above passage, following assumptions have been made. There is no need for the state to involve in any manner in the handloom sector. Definitely incorrect. Handloom products are no longer appealing and attractive in the rapidly changing modern world. Incorrect. So that means which of the assumptions are valid? None are valid. That is D. Consider the first 100 natural numbers. How many of them are not divisible by any of the 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9? See, it basically asking all the numbers which are not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9 and are from 1 to 100. Okay, that is what it is being asked. Clear? Two, 3, 5, 7, and 9 not divisible by any of the 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Numbers are, let me write all the prime numbers in 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. All these are prime numbers. Now, it should not be divisible by any of these numbers. That means these I cannot consider. Eliminated. Now, push numbers that are left are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Correct answer is not 21. Why? Because you have missed one number, that is number 1. 1 is also a number which is not divisible by any of these numbers, correct? And is from 1 to 100, first 100 natural numbers. That means correct answer would be option C. Okay, my dear friends. Question number 26 now. X is greater than or equal to 4 and less than and equal to 8. y is greater than and equal to 2 and less than and equal to 7. What is the ratio of maximum value of x plus y? Maximum value of x plus y would be when x is maximum, y is maximum. That is 8 plus 7, 15. So the minimum value of x minus y. Minimum value of x minus y would be when x is least and y is minus, x is least is 4, y is maximum is 7, minus 3. So ratio would be minus 5 is to 1 or minus 5. So option D, none of the above is correct answer. Which is the correct answer? None of the above. Question number 27. Let both P and K be prime numbers such that P square plus K is also a prime number less than 30. What is the number of possible values of K? See, for it to be a prime number less than 30, first thing that you have to be sure is it has to be odd, because only even prime number is 2, nothing else. For a number to be odd, it has to be odd plus even, then only odd you will get, because odd plus odd is even, even plus even is also even. So this has to satisfy this thing, p square plus k. For example, p square is odd, that is 9, it has to be 3 square, 9 plus k, 2, 9 plus 2, 11, prime number. One criteria fulfilled. If I do 9 plus 4, 9 plus, no. Next would be 25 plus 2, no, not possible. And it has to be less than 30, so I cannot take any other number in this problem. Now let me reverse. P square is even, that is 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 7, 11, 4 plus 13, 17. Do I have any other possibility? No. Four plus 19, 23 is also there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. That means B is the correct answer. Next, 4 plus 23 would be 27, not a prime number. 4 plus 29, 33, not a prime number, and it is more than 30 also. So only these cases are possible. Correct answer, option B, 5. 28th. There are n sets of numbers, each having only 3 positive integers with LCM equal to 1001. Students, 1001 is such that number which is in love, which UPSC is in love with. Why I am saying that is, last year also we had a question with respect to 1001, and this year also we are having. 1001 is basically 7 into 11 into 13 is 1001. First set can be 7, 11, 13. Second set can be 77, 13, 1, 91, 7, 11. This can also be a possibility. Then 13, 7, and 77. This is also a possibility. So I can write number of possible options. Correct answer would be option D, more than 8. 29th question, guys. This was one such question which in exam had to be skipped. Solve नहीं करने की जरूरत थी, एग्जाम में नहीं हो पाता. Correct answer is, I'll tell you, B. I'll even tell you how you want to be doing it, but in exam नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है? It says PPT PQR minus PS. PQR minus PS PQR minus PS. PQR minus PS is equal to PPT. It says, and we have two conditions. First is Q is equal to 3, T is less than 6. These are the two conditions that we have, correct? Can I write PQR as 100P plus 10Q plus R minus 10P plus S is equal to 100P plus 10P plus T. Condition is Q is equal to 3, T is less than 6. Correct? Now, 100P, 100P cancelled. 10Q plus R minus, this would be minus S. Minus S. Plus R minus S is equal to 20P plus T. Correct? Q is equal to 3. That is 30 plus R minus S is equal to 20P plus T. Now consider this situation, students. R minus S is sum of two different digits. Maximum difference can be 8 and minimum difference can also be minimum difference. If this is negative, this is positive. If this is 1, 1 minus 9 minus 8. Correct? It can be this situation. 30 plus 8 would be 38. 30 minus 8 would be 22. That is the value of this number 20P plus T has to be between 22 and 32, 22 and 38. Correct? Now here you will have to put the values of T and check. What values of T I can put here which satisfies this particular equation. Understanding? That is why in exam this question should not be attempted. You just skip. Correct answer is B, but in exam it has to be skipped. Next, question based upon a continuous series. It says AB dash CC. There are total 18 elements in this particular series. So we'll divide it into 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let me do the hit and trial. BC, BCA, B, C, B, C, A. ABB, CCC, ABB, CCC, CBB, CAC. Not satisfied? Next, AC, BCA, A, C, B, C, A. ABA, CCC, ABB, CCC, CC, not satisfied. Let me try option 3. ABB, CCC, ABB, CCC, ABB, CCC. So series that are making is A, double B, triple C. This is the series that we are making. So correct series would be A, BB, CCC, A, BB, CCC, A, BB, CCC. This is the series that will be going. Correct answer, option C. Clear? Next question. Question number 31. It says, which one of the following statements best reflects the central idea conveyed by the passage? Correct. India does not have enough resources for promoting quality education. Wrong. Institutions of higher learning in the country should not be under the control of the government. Again, wrong. Classroom approach to higher education should be done away with. Very wrong. Classroom needs to be reimagined and teaching needs to be reinvented. Yes, obviously, modernization has to be done. So D is the correct answer. Correct answer, option D. Next. Same passage. It says, higher education is a constantly evolving subject that needs to align towards new developments in all spheres of society. In our country, sufficient funds are not allocated for promoting higher education. See, nowhere in this passage, nothing is mentioned about funds. So B is definitely incorrect. And higher education is a constantly evolving subject. That is why we are saying a classroom needs to be reinvented and reimagined with. So this is definitely correct. So option A is correct. That is one only. Clear? Next. Question number 33. It says, which one of the following statement best reflects the crux of the passage? There is an urgent need for a public policy to promote the consumption of cereal-based foods. No. Incorrect. Animal-based food is far less efficient than grain plant-based food in terms of production and utilization. Absolutely correct. Animal-based food is far less efficient. Plant-based protein should replace, nothing can be replaced. Inequality in food production, wrong. Correct answer, option B. Which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. With reference to the above passage, following assumptions have been made. The food manufacturing and processing industries in every country should align their objectives and processes in accordance with the changing needs. Definitely correct. Wealthier societies tend to incur greater loss of calories of food material due to indirect utilization of their agriculture produce. Correct. So C is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? Option C. Next. Question is, what is the maximum value of n such that 7 into 343 into 385 into 1000 into 2401 into 77777 is divisible by 35 to the power n. What it says is 7 into 343 into 385 into 1000 into 2401 77777 divided by 35 to the power n. 35 to the power n can be written as 7 into 5 to the power n. So I just need to find the number of pairs of 7 and 5. I can see 7 are many. 1, 3, again 1, 4, 1. 7 are many, but 5, only 1 5 here, 3 5 here. So only 4 5s. 4 5s will 4 7s will make 435. So only power of n can be 4. So option B is the correct answer. What is the correct answer, students? Option B. Question based upon series, very simple question. It is 24 into 0.5, 12 into 1, 12 into 1.5, 18 into 2, 36 into 2.5, 90. So correct answer, option B, 12 is the correct answer. Question number 37, talking about circular things. See, there is a little ambiguity with respect to this question, but ambiguity happened when I saw other videos and I saw other people answers. But in reality, correct answer is B only, because very clearly the question that it says is between 5:20 a.m. and 7 a.m. Between these two time period, I have to tell how many times they will meet. So it is nothing related to exactly at 7 or 5:20. Clear? So correct answer would be 5:20 to 7 we have to find. Now they are taking 3 rounds. Per hour is taking Q and P is taking 5. So in total they are doing 8 rounds per hour. That is 8 rounds per 60 minutes. 4 rounds per 30 minutes. 2 rounds per 15 minutes. 1 round per every 7.5 minutes. That is, they will meet each other in every 7.5 minutes. As simple as that. So that means if they start at 5 o'clock, they will meet at 5, 7.5, 5:15, 22.5, 30, 37.5, 45, 52.5, 6. Similarly, from 6 also this will be continued. So from 5 to 6, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to 7, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will not count this. So 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Option B. Correct answer, option B, 6 plus 7. Next, question number 38. Easy question, directly talking about body mass. Okay. 60 dash 15 dash 3 24. B is the correct answer. Let us check. QRPS. Q stands for minus, R stands for multiplication, P stands for addition, and S on the other hand stands for division. So first of all, division, 20 divided by 4, 5. So 60 minus 15 into 3 plus 5. 60 minus 45 plus 5. 60 minus 45 plus 5, that is 65 minus 45, 20. RHS equal to, that means B is the correct. B. Question number 39, talking about a tram. Guys, many times I've explained you this thing in the class. If you will see my videos, you'll be in a position that yes, this is something which has been done. A tram overtakes two persons, X and Y, walking at an average speed of 3 and 4 kilometers respectively in the same direction, and completely passes them in 8 and 9 seconds respectively. Let the speed of the tram be X. The length of the tram would be X minus 3 into 5 by 18 into 8, which is equal to length of tram X minus 4 into 5 by 18 into 9. 8x minus 24, 9x minus 36. X is equal to 12. Speed of tram is 12 km per hour. That would be 12 minus 3, 9 into 5 by 18 into 8. 1, 2, 4. 5 fours are 20 meters. Option C. Clear? Next. This was very simple question. N square is equal to this, then how many digits does the number n have? See, if you'll see, 11 square is equal to 121. 111 square, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the correct answer. Done. Next. So 40 question done. Correct answer option B. B is the correct answer for question number 40. Okay.